Claim: does 50% of Australia Climate Agency XERO funding come from private industries? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. On 30th July 2025, Sam Bamford, the host of the 2.worlds.co-live podcast, claimed that 50% of XERO funding comes from private industry. Some of the companies he named were Tesla, EV cars and batteries, Vestas, which is a wind turbine giant, and AGL. View the Instagram video here. This has been shared across Instagram and TikTok, with some reposts amplifying it over Instagram. Such posts can be found here and here, resharing the same clip from the original podcast. Fact check. Truth: misleading. Evidence from XERO's audited annual report shows that the 50% of its funding is not from private agencies. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate the claim and discovered that it is false. 2023 to 24 XERO total revenue, $1.72 billion Australian dollar, account for the clear majority leaning towards government sources. The 50% claim is not supported by the audited data. XERO, established in 1926, is Australia's national science agency, conducting research in areas like agriculture, health, energy and climate. It operates as a statutory authority under the federal government, with funding derived from appropriations, external contracts, royalties and partnerships. Firstly, we conducted a web search with the phrase 50% XERO funding from private companies. We came across the most recent fiscal year, 2023 to 1924 XERO report, which itemizes revenue sources in page 102. Moreover, after checking the recent value of XERO 2024 update, we got to understand the structure better. XERO's corporate plans and impact assessments consistently describe a mixed funding model anchored by government appropriation complemented by external revenue from contracts and grants. The above report, page 7, summarized the structure as 60% government appropriation, 28% RD contracts, 13% grants other, again reinforcing that the majority is not private sector money. View the section here. Thus, the claim is misleading, and even adding public bodies like NASA funding would still leave private industry well below 50%. Claim: podcaster claims that 50% of Australia's climate agency XERO funding comes from private industry. Conclusion: misleading. Evidence from XERO's audited annual report shows that the 50% of its funding is not from private agencies. Rating: misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.